Hi, to add and remove icons in Control Center on iPhone 16e. Firstly, swipe down from top right corner to trigger Control Center. Now to edit it, we need to press and hold any free space on the screen till we see it like that. So if you want to remove something, you just need to tap on minus and it will be gone. Some of the icons we can resize like this. We can resize this tab. We can also swipe up because there is not one page but more. So here we can adjust music section and add more controls to this second page, or we can leave it like that and move on to the third page. This one we can resize as well and edit controls. So, to add icons in Control Center, click here and find something in the list. If you know what you want to add, you can tap on search bar and manually enter its name, or you can go through the list and find one which will suit you. For example, let's add quick note. I'm gonna click it and this is how it looks now. To save changes, I can just tap any free space on the screen again. And now we can tap this icon to create new quick note. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.